Hey everyone, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to create a simple map view application. So follow along with me. Open your Xcode and we're gonna use simple view application, single view, sorry. You can call whatever name you want. Mine was just gonna be my map. So all this code data, we're not gonna use them. Include unit tests, we are not gonna use them. So just allow them like that in this video. Source control, we're not gonna use all those ones. So click create. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, I'm using Xcode 9.3 compatible. So go to your main storyboard and just take our map view. Just type map. I already typed it here, so Xcode just provided for me, but I don't know if it's gonna do it for you also. But if not, okay, just go and look for it yourself. So there's no problem wrong with that. So just click and drag to your storyboard. Make sure you feed the whole screen. Yeah, so let's connect it. Select my map view, connect, close this one. Whoop, Xcode is yelling at me. Okay, so we can delete that here. So let me just say my map. Okay, so let's go to our view and import map kit. Okay, so there's nothing there again, but in the first page you can see allow the map view. There's not gonna be any problem. So let's run our project. I'm using an iPhone XR, so you can choose whatever simulator you want to use. View succeeded. So yeah, you can see this our map. I'm right now in United Arab Emirates, but it does not flush the whole screen. We still need to do one more thing. So you just click constraint. There's no need to add constraint left or right. You just go to reset constraint and everything will be fine. Instead of you wasting time, try to go here, add constraint to the left, constraint to the right, all this one. No need to waste your time doing all this one. So let's run it again and see how it's gonna be. As you can see, our map just flushed the whole screen, so you don't need to come here to add all this constraint. Instead just click reset to suggested constraint and everything will just be fine. So you can see this is our map. It is me, and this is where I am, United Arab Emirates. So in next video we're gonna see how we can zoom everything because now you can already know right where you are, because the dot is not there. But this is not the purpose of the video. Thank you guys, love and share this video. Until then, see you.